How to change password on Betway. Initially at the top right, you are gonna see your username right here. Simply click on it right now. Once you do that, something like this will open up. From here in this section, simply scroll down and right here next to marketing preferences, you can see change password. Click on it. Now this is it. From here, all you need to do is simply enter your username or email address right here. I'm gonna do it right now. Once you enter the details, simply click on submit. After you do that, you will receive an email which contains a link in order to change or reset your password. I'm gonna go to my link right now. As you can see, I have received an email like this. Now all you need to do is click on this reset password button. Now just enter your new password right here and confirm it right in the confirm password section. Once you've done that, simply click on submit and that way you can change your Betway password. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.